I haven't put a video on for a while. There's lots of work going on in the garden and in the house, and as you can see, when I say a lot of work, I mean a lot of work. Now this patch here, every summer this patch alone is going yellow. No matter what you did to it, doesn't matter how much you watered the lawn, how much you reseeded it, how many holes you put in it, every time it died. So I decided to do a bit of investigating, and not too far down was almost a complete patio in slabs. So what's been happening is, every summer this part of the garden, which gets sun all day, has been baking. The roots have likely been baking away, and the lawn is completely run out of water. Now, you often find with a lot of new builds, they tend to put lots of rubble down underneath, and the lawns are basically wrecked in no time as soon as you get a bit of heat. And I think what's happened years ago is that instead of pulling up all these flags and taking them down the skip, they've buried them under the lawn. And it'll be interesting to see, once I've pulled all this out, put new soil in, reseeded it, how much it will recover. Now, in other parts of the garden, it wouldn't surprise me if there's more of this in the shady areas. However, it's not as bad because they're getting shade in the afternoon. But this part is getting sun all day long. As a result, it's too hot. But if you ever think you've got a brown patch somewhere, or something's not recovering, you never know what's underneath the ground. However, one word of warning, you might be sorry once you start. So this is the extent of the hole. I've removed all the rubble and all the flags from under here, and then put all topsoil in there. Mixed all the clay in because it was really thick clay down there, and I'm going to reseed it. Bit of a tricky one, never laid a lawn before, so hopefully it doesn't sink too much. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.